Get your mind to working, 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 baby. And
You're not taping up?
I didn't tape up last time.
Really? I don't want that thing to balloon, man.
I don't think it will.
I don't think so. Okay.
Hopefully not. It's weird too, man. This is the heavy body.
Yeah.
So there's nothing taped here. There's no GT body under it.
Maybe that's what it wants.
Marks, get set, go.
Ooh, that's a long distance, brother. Go. Yep, keep going. Straight. You're straight now. Perfect. Truck making a right turn, alright, Ars?
All right.
You got a car behind you too. Coming our way. Keep it straight now. Solid, you're good, you're good.
In the rain? In the rain, huh?
145. 145.
Woo!
Let's get it!
Let's get it, JP! Woo!
What did I tell you?
That's it, though. That's it. That's all that's in it.
You think so?
I know so, because I was laying on it. You see me laying in it? No code. No code? Oh!
Yeah!
Longest distance ever, man.
talking about.
40.
Yup.
40.
Yeah, no, this is a good road.
Woo! Picture.
144.